Hey there, let's talk about embedding content. Okay, so specifically we're talking about embedding content in your WordPress posts or pages. This is a really cool thing to do because it can elevate your posts, it can engage your audience, really extend your messaging. In this video, we're going to dive into why you might want to embed content in your page or post, what to consider when choosing that content, and then I'm going to show you how to use the embed block in the WordPress Gutenberg or blocks editor. First off, embedding content really does enrich your site's user experience. It will let you integrate videos, audio, social media, TED Talks, issue presentations, Spotify playlists. Really, there are so many things that you can easily and natively embed in your WordPress page or post. Embedding content can keep people on your page longer, and it also just enhances the visual appeal of your content. So when selecting content to embed, you want to think about relevance and quality. Choose sources that align with your messaging and really add value to your reader's experience. If you are discussing a certain topic, an embedded video from a reputable source can just provide additional insights. You always want to be sure that the content is from a reliable platform to maintain your credibility, and you want to be sure to completely watch it or listen to it ahead of time to make sure that it's all accurate and is truly supporting the content that you have on your site. Now let's get into how to use the embed block in WordPress's block editor. Okay, here we are at our example WordPress page. I'm just gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, past things we've learned how to do in other videos. And I'm just gonna click right here to tell it that I wanna add a new block of content right here in the page. So I'm gonna click this little plus sign here to toggle my block inserter. Type in the word embed, and you'll see all of these native blocks come up. So these are things that are baked into WordPress that will allow you to embed content from all of these different sources. It is so easy. So let's say that you wanted to embed a YouTube video. I'm just going to click YouTube embed. I'll come over here and I'll grab this URL for a YouTube video, paste it in there, and click embed, and there it is. Now let's try it again with a different kind of content, maybe a TED Talk. I think I saw a TED Talk here. Yeah, sure enough. There's a TED embed right there. I'll click that. Same thing, it's going to ask for a URL. I'll come over here. This is a pretty cool one. I'm going to copy this, paste the URL, and embed. And now there's my TED Talk. And it's cool because it will automatically use the format for whatever site that it's embedding from. So you can see this is kind of a YouTube play button. This is a TED Talk play button. So it will make people's experience really consistent, which they'll appreciate. So let me show you something else. This is just a little trick. So you can see that we have all of these different embed blocks here, but you don't have to use the one that is specific to the content that you're embedding. You can also just click the embed block and you can put any URL that you want. So I'm going to grab a URL for a Spotify playlist. Come back over here, and I'm just in the embed. I didn't put in the Spotify one. I just put in the regular embed, paste it in, and embed. And it does the same thing. Now you'll see that there are other kinds of embed blocks here. There's one for audio. What this does is it creates an audio player on your page. You see a little example of it there. When you use the audio block, you'll want to upload an audio file to your media library, and then that will be a way that people can play audio directly from your web page. Custom HTML is another block that you can use if, for example, you have iframe code or some other kind of embed code that's been provided by the other website and you want to embed that into your site. Lots of ways you can incorporate external content into your web page to enhance your user's experience and support your message. One thing I'll say is be sure that you have permission to use somebody else's content on your website. Generally, if you try to embed it and it doesn't work, that means that the content author has forbidden embedding. So be sure to respect that. I hope you enjoyed this super fast WordPress tip, and please subscribe or just watch the other videos on our channel to learn more. Thanks.